Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change font style in Infinix Hot 40. Right now, the font style is very simple. Like as you guys see the Facebook Palm Store font size, it's very simple. So before starting the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more interesting content. Okay, let's start. First of all, just go to settings and then we have option of personalization here. Just click on it, and as you guys see we have many options. Just scroll it down and you guys already see my fonts here. Click here and then click on addition sign or plus sign. We have a lot of fonts here. Just select any of one which you like. I am selecting this one. For applying it, just click on download and then apply. Click on OK. That's it. And as you guys see that the font of my phone is already changed and it seems very good now. So through this method you guys can also change your font of Infinix Hot 40. If this video helped you guys, so make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.